Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. In today's tutorial, I would like to explain that how you can use the Comet, which is part of the Perplexity AI, and then connect with the uh, Jupyter Notebook. So as you can see here, now I have the Jupyter Notebook in my browser. I used some prompt in the Comet, and I uh, ask them to create some login page, and you can see that it's already created this UI for me, and this part is a coding part of that, and also it already the execute the this we can say the prompt. So you can see all this is now is a prompt, and it's executed, write the code, and now this is the result. So I'm not going to do the same, but I'm going to try to explain how you can do all these cases together. So first, you need to download your, we can say, the Comet. In that case, you would need to search in the Google Web Comet, which is, as I said, Perplexity AI. It will navigate you to this page, and then you would need to download the file. You can click on this download Comet, or in right top side also there is a green button. You can use that to download the file. Once you have downloaded the file, you would need to install that file, and then you would need to register. It could be registered with your Gmail or with your we can say the email. I have already installed this file, so, and I have downloaded. You can see here there is the file which is downloaded. It has been downloaded before, and you can click on the start install. It will start to install this commit, and it after everything has finished, then it will come. You can make it as a we can say that for your taskbar to mark it. But for me, I'm canceling because already I have installed this file, and I'm not going to do it again. uh, so for the Jupyter Notebook, this is the some part of the we can say that there's a Jupyter, which you can use it as the web browser, and also for the local we can say that the Jupyter. But so in that case, because the Comet is is a web base, so you can use this assistant of the Comet, and then once you have your Jupyter web on your web browser, then you can use that to drop your prompt, and it will give you the, we can say, the result. Yeah. So this is the idea behind it. But uh, I before that I can explain to you that how you can find the Jupyter, which is here you can write the Jupyter Notebook in the Google. When once you search, you can click on that one. It will navigate you to this page, and then there is a two option as an install the Jupyter Lab, which is the local file of that, or try as a web browser, which I am going to use a web browser. Then you would need to use this Jupyter Lab. It will navigate you to the web browser of the Jupyter, and then you can start the coding here, and also you can see the result. If then since the Comet is a web browser, as I explained, it's better to use the Jupyter in the same web browser, and then when you are using that assistant to drop your prompt, then it will write some code for you, and also you can ask that include your prompt to execute it. It's also it will be executed. So now you, as you can see here, I'm going to drop this comment. Can you write a code with the Python so that develop an app which I give the country name, and it give me the country code. uh so please write the code and execute it. Once I am dropping this prompt, it will start to uh working and in searching and also create some code. So as you can see here, now it created some code, and they made some dictionary here. This is the some part of the result of that, and you can see here this is the database of the countries, and here is a test result of that. So yeah, you can see here now this is giving that. So is I'm trying to make the one UI base for this app, which user can insert the country code, and then it provides some result of that, because it's very important to write the accurate prompt to the assistant, because if you are not giving the accurate data, then definitely it will not provide you uh, what you expected. It might be a little bit different or deviated from the result which you expected to see in this process. So that's why I was trying to give some the prompt as an UI, and then to provide this. But I believe uh, we might need to give a little bit more details that how it need to show in UI in which form. But let's see what will give us as a result, because it was just the purpose of the testing here to see that how it will uh, provide us as a conclusion. But I believe we need to write all these details. You can see here now it's going for HTML and so on. So it might be better to tell them, okay, whether this is the local app as an desktop app, or it need the web browser app. Oh, interesting. Now it is going to different approach, because I made new prompt to run the app. So yeah, mm, okay, that is okay. That's not the because it took a lot of time. Then I tried to make it more accurate, and I requested to make it by the tkinter as a desktop with the UI. Then uh, it considered by default something with it but by itself, and made it student management. But anyway, it it's completely deviated from what we expected. The reason is that because I didn't write the accurate prompt. That was the reason behind of that. I should explain that, okay, I need this ticketing chair for this country code and so on. But let's see. It's trying to make this student management system, and let just because we just want to see how it will work. Okay, perfect. So let's do some tests to see that whether some data of the it can be insert some data here or no. Quran, let's make it a Quran, then make some email and okay, let all and submit. Oh, okay, very good. Here you go. Now is added. I think, yeah, it's working fine. That would be that would be nice, and I think we reached to our target. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. If you have any question, please drop your question in comment below. I would be glad to see your comments, and definitely I will get back to you. Thanks again, and see you in next one.